I'm recording. Right. Hey YouTube, Cupcake checking in. Brownie and Brownie still there. I'm over here. Can't see me, but hey. Hey, oh shit, bitch. What up? Brownie down here, dog. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and we're making MySpace. Add me. Hey. I don't really have a topic because this is just sudden. Looking in my head. Everybody sleep. Desi sleep. Jace is not. Yeah. He's 3 with a binky. He's up before. um, I want to talk about something. Let's talk about studs dating gay boys. I'm gonna touch this topic one good time. Okay, if you're gay, you're gay. You like the same sex. But if you're gay and you're dating the opposite sex, you're straight. I don't care if you dress like a girl. I don't care if you dress like a boy. You're straight. Point blank period. So let's touch that note a little bit. Stop going around saying I'm a lesbian or gay pride and you're sleeping with a man and you're a female. That means you're straight. If your girlfriend, boyfriend dresses like a girl and has a dick, it's a cross dresser. And so are you if you're a girl and you dress like a boy. Yeah, just touch that note one quick. Let me see another topic. On to the next.
On to the next one. On to the next one. Hey.
Show Like Colors, March 19th, 2011. Let's get it. Richmond, VA, stand up all day. House of Astoria, L's up, L's up.
Hey.
I don't know. I'm going to bed. I'm going to update the videos, but not today. Bitch is tired. Love ya.